Yeah, we got New York City's first snowstorm of the year. Finally. This is what we should have got on Christmas. Probably like 3 inches. Finally a little bit of snow, man. You know what I mean?